like I had told you that, okay, like to find out the minimum spanning tree, there are two algorithms. One is Prim's and other one is Kruskal's. So Prim's algorithm you have already done, and you have seen that how to create a tree. So this is actually your spanning tree. Why this is a tree? Because there is no cycle and all the nodes are connected. And why this is minimum? This is minimum because the sum of the cost of all the edges, that is minimum. You can't find out any other tree having the cost lesser than 13. Okay, so this is called your minimum spanning tree. So in order to find out minimum spanning tree, one method is Prim's and the other one is now Kruskal's. And this is the complexity of Prim's algorithm. Like in case of adjacency list, if you are using adjacency list to make a graph, then complexity would be E log B, where E is a set of edges and V is a set of vertices. Okay. And if you're using the adjacency matrix, then complexity would be big O of V square. Okay, because over here in case of adjacency matrix, you will be creating a matrix of size. Suppose if there are 6 vertices of size 6 by 6, like in case of Dijkstra's algorithm, I had told you how to make that cost adjacency matrix. Okay, so in that case, the complexity would be big O of V square. Otherwise, in case of adjacency list, it would be big O of E log V. Is it clear? Fine. So next algorithm to find out the MST is, MST means the minimum spanning tree, is by using Kruskal's algorithm. So doing this manually, that is very easy. If you want to find out the MST using Kruskal's algorithm, so that is very easy, but the implementation part of this is a little bit different. So first I will, today I will take that how to find out the MST manually, like if you want to do using paper and pen, then practically how to implement that I will take later on, fine? And again, we are doing greedy algorithm. So again, Kruskal algorithm falls under the category of greedy. So what are the different other, Jyoti, can you tell me what are the other algorithms that we have done under greedy method? Jyoti.
मैम मैंने भी थोड़े दिन से स्टार्ट की हैं क्लासेस, मेरे को इतनी information
Okay, 1 minute. जितनी भी की till now under greedy method we have done first fractional knapsack, then traveling salesman problem you have done, Prim's algorithm, then Dijkstra's algorithm. So this is now the next one, Kruskal. So even we will be implementing that by using the greedy method. Okay, so this is the simple way. Like if this question is coming that write down the algorithm, you should not actually write down this algorithm. I will tell you which algorithm you need to write down. But suppose if you don't remember the other way, that how to actually write down the proper algorithm, you can write down these 3 lines. Okay, so this is the algorithm for Kruskal's. First, I will just go through that. It is that first thing over here in Kruskal is that we need to sort all the edges. Okay, we need to sort all the edges from low weight to high, or you can say in the increasing order of their weights. Then we will start taking the edges one by one and we will add to the spanning tree. Okay, but if the spanning tree is making any cycle, if when you are adding an edge to your spanning tree, if it is creating a cycle, then we will reject that edge. Means we won't be taking that edge in our final spanning tree. Otherwise, we will add that to our spanning tree. Okay, so we will add all the edges until we reach all the vertices. Fine. So once we are having all the vertices that are connected to each other, that would be your spanning tree. I think I will first take one example, then it would be clear that how to create a spanning tree using the Kruskal algorithm. Okay, so first of all, count the number of edges. How many edges are there? Yes, beta. How many edges are there? You can see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Around 10 are there. So first thing is that we need to sort them in increasing order of their weights. Okay, which edge is having the minimum weight? 1, 2. So first of all, 1, 2 will come. Okay, you can write down like this. First 1, 2 will come. Okay, if you have copy and pen, you start writing all these things. Okay, then first is 10, then is your 3, 6. Okay, so 3, 6 is having the weight 15. Then is your 4, 6. So like this way, first thing is that you need to sort all the edges in increasing order of their weights. So this you can say is a disadvantage of Kruskal algorithms, that first we need to sort all the edges in increasing order of their weights. So here I have done that. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 6, then 2, 6 will come because 2, 6 is having the weight 25. Then 1, 4, 3, 5, 2, 5, 1, 5, 2, 3, and last one is your 5, 6. Okay. Now, how to create the spanning tree? So that one is very easy. Okay, I will do over here. Then I will go to the next slide. There I have done actually already. So this is first what you can do. You can write down all the vertices. Okay. और you do one by one. बेटा मैं एक ही स्टेप में कर रही हूँ, आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप करना है. Don't try to do in one step only. Fine. Okay. Now one student, yes, Karan. Which edge
हाँ जी
was
मैम
having the minimum weight?
1 to
1,
2
2. 1, 2. What is the weight of
and
that?
10 मैम
10. So what I will do, I will add that edge to my spanning tree. So this is your actually first step. So I'm adding that edge to my spanning tree. Is it creating any cycle in the tree? Cycle, I will tell you what is cycle.
no मैम
Yes, no. Cycle is what, suppose you are having these nodes and these are connected like this. So these three nodes are creating a cycle, these three edges, because you can start from this node, you can go to this, this, and this. So एक cycle है यहाँ पर, but here this is not creating a cycle. So I will take that in my spanning tree. Yes, Karan, next. Which edge is there?
6 3
Okay, 3, 6. So what I will do, what is the weight of that? 15.
15 मैम
So I will add that to my spanning tree. Is it creating any cycle?
no मैम
No. Okay. Next, Palvi, can you unmute?
Yes, ma'am.
Which edge I have to consider? जो आपने sort की है ना, you have to consider the edges in that order only. What is the next edge?
Ma'am, 2, 6.
नहीं, 4, 6. After 1, 2, 3, 6, the next edge is 4, 6. Na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the weight of
Yes.
that?
20.
So I'm going to add that over here. Is it creating any cycle?
No, ma'am.
Is it creating any cycle in spanning tree? No, it's not creating. So I will take that. Okay. Next, Palvi, next edge is your
Ma'am, 2, 6. Ma'am, 2, 6.
2, 6 now. Okay. So 2 and 6. If I'm adding that to my spanning tree, is it creating any cycle?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. One thing better, you have to find out the minimum cost also side by side. So which edges I have added till now? One was the 10, then it was 15, then was 20. Okay, then it is 25. You have to do all these things step by step. Okay. Then Neha, which edge I have to consider next?
Ma'am, 1, 4,
1, 4. What is the weight of that?
30.
30. Okay, now is it creating any cycle if I'm adding 1, 4 to my this spanning tree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is creating a cycle. You can see now this cycle is there. You can go from 1 to 4, 4 to 6, then 6 to 2, 2 to 1. That means it should not be added to my spanning tree. Okay, so when you will write down this step, you need to write down that 1, 4 is creating a cycle, so reject that. Okay, side पर ये लिखना है कि 1, 4 is creating a cycle, so rejected. Okay, next Neha, what is the next edge?
3, 5.
What is the weight of that?
Ma'am, 35.
Is it creating any cycle?
No, ma'am.
No. So I will add that to my spanning tree and the minimum cost will become plus 35. Okay, next Jyoti.
मैम एक क्वेश्चन
Yes,
पूछना
ma'am.
था, जैसे हम
Okay, yes, let me complete this, otherwise who is there?
मैम सिर्फ इतने पूछना है, जैसे मैम आपने कहा कि ये सारा स्टेप लिखना है, तो
क्या
जब मैम
करना
हम नेक्स्ट स्टेप करेंगे तो
Okay,
मतलब मैम ये एक स्टेप में नहीं करना, स्टेप बाय स्टेप करना है, तो हमें
that I will
सारे
tell you, Neha.
मतलब ये जो
Just wait,
edges हैं-
Rajay. I will tell you those things. Okay, I will tell you. Don't worry. 1 minute. Let me complete this one. Okay, next edge is your which one? Yes, whom I have called Jyoti. 2-5.
जो yes
Jyoti.
मैम 2-5
2-5. What is the weight of that?
हाँ जी मैम 2-5
हाँ, Jyoti, is it creating any cycle? Suppose if I'm adding 2-5 to my this
yes
3,
मैम
is it creating any cycle?
yes मैम
Yes, it's creating. So I don't have to take that.
yes yes मैम
Actually तो वैसे आपकी सारी vortices आ चुकी हैं, they are connected. I don't need to do, but okay, we will complete it. Okay, next Jyoti 1-5. If I will add 1-5,
yes मैम
1-5.
yes मैम 45 weight है
Yes, 1 to 5 is 45. Is it creating any cycle? Yes, Jyoti.
yes मैम 45 weight
It's okay, but you tell me, is it creating any cycle? 1-5 को अगर ऐड कर देंगे तो कोई cycle create हो रहा है? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं पॉसिबल कि आप 1 से स्टार्ट करो.
मैम yes
It is creating a cycle. कैसे आप 1 से स्टार्ट कर रही हो, you can go to 5, then 3, then 6, 6 to 2, 2 to 1. So that means 1 to 5 is creating a cycle. I should not take it. Okay, fine. Okay, next one, 2, 3.
okay मैम
Yes, Jyoti, tell me 2, 3.
yes
If
मैम
I'm adding 2, 3,
मैम 50
but is it creating a cycle?
yes मैम
Yes. So I won't take 2, 3 even. Then is your 5, 6. Last one is your 5, 6. If you will take 5, 6 even, this will
Yes,
create
ma'am.
a cycle, this one. So even I won't take 5,
Yes,
6. Okay. So this is your final spanning
Yes,
tree.
ma'am.
So you can see this is very easy to find out using the Kruskal's algorithm, that you are just adding these edges 10, then was 15, then was 20, 25, and then 35. You can find out the sum of this. That will be the cost of your minimum spanning tree. Okay. Any doubt in this? Then I will tell you, Neha, that how to actually write down step by step. Okay. Is it okay? Okay, Neha. See this one now.
Yes, ma'am.
Neha is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Neha, one way is that you can do like this. You have sorted all the edges, 1, 2, write down their cost and write down all your vertices like this. If you want, you can write down vertices like this, or you can write down in the way that I have done. कि जैसे यहाँ पर दिया है उसी order में लिख लो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That doesn't matter. Okay, like over here, first edge that we need to consider is 1, 2. Okay, cost was 10. Add that to your this edge. Okay, spanning tree, but write down the cost over here. Is it creating any cycle? No. So add that. You can write down this line, that add edge 1, 2 to spanning tree, since it is not creating any cycle. Next 3, 6. Add 3 and 6. 3 or 6 को edge add karo, it is not creating a cycle. Then 4, 6. It is not creating a cycle. 2, 6, not creating a cycle. 1, 4, reject. Why reject? You need to write down that it is creating a cycle. Next is 3, 5. Okay, 3, 5 you add. But one thing more is there, that you need to write down the minimum cost also with every step. Minimum cost find out करते रहो और last में आपको minimum cost लिखनी है. Once, okay, you can do one thing, that after 3, 5, once all the vertices are added and all are connected, actually you don't need to consider all other edges. क्योंकि अगर आप कोई और edge add करने की कोशिश भी करोगे तो आपका क्या होगा, एक cycle ही create होगा. But if you want, you can write down all other edges and you can write down over here, they will create a cycle. Create a cycle. Okay, so this way you can do it. बट ये जो आपने वर्टिसेस बनानी है, यू कैन मेक दैट इन द वे आई हैव डन इन द प्रीवियस दिस एग्जांपल. Okay, Neha, now tell me any doubt if you have.
No, ma'am, clear.
Clear? Okay. And one thing. Now I can see Sakshi also. Sakshi? Okay. Yes, beta, tell me any doubt. Is it cleared? All others, beta?
Yes.
Palvi, fine? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, beta, like we have to implement this in lab also, like, and if this algorithm is coming that write down the Kruskal's algorithm, then one way is that I had told you, you can write down these 3 lines, but obviously if it is of 5 marks, you will be just getting 1 mark over here. Okay. So how to actually write down the Kruskal's algorithm, how to implement this? This is the way to implement. Okay. So what is their main thing in the Kruskal algorithm is that whenever you are adding any edge to your spanning tree, you need to find out, is it making any cycle? If it is making any cycle, then we don't have to add that edge to spanning tree. Otherwise, you can add that. Okay. So only thing is that this thing is important, that how to implement this part, that to check that whether that edge is creating a cycle or not. Okay. Cycle means what now that you know. Now, in order to implement that part, in order to create a cycle, whether this is creating a cycle or not, yes.
मैम एक
Yes.
क्वेश्चन था.
Okay, बेटा, fine.
मैम हमने एजेस सारे लिख रही हैं, फिर बाद में बताना है कि ये हमने रिजेक्ट किए हैं.
लिख लो, no problem. मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि after 3, 5, actually there are 1, 2, 3, 4 edges.
हाँ जी.
Okay, you can write down them
Yes, ma'am.
in this order over here, and you can say they are creating cycles, so reject all those edges. Or even if you are stopping over here,
Okay, ma'am.
you will be getting like full mark. This is correct. Why? Because you can say that in your spanning tree, all the vertices are there and they are connected. You can see all the vertices are there and all are connected now. बट क्या होता है ज्योति, कई बार किसी स्टूडेंट्स को पता नहीं चलता है कि कब स्टॉप करना है, तो उसके लिए मैंने आपको बताया है कि आप क्या करो कि बाकी जो एजेस हैं उनको भी ले लो और जो जो साइकिल बन रहा है उनको रिजेक्ट करते रहो. एक स्टेज आएगी कि उसके बाद आप जितने भी एजेस ऐड करोगे, दे विल बी क्रिएटिंग अ साइकिल एक्चुअली. राइट बेटा?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Shall I start with this algorithm now? Okay. Now, beta, in order to implement that part, that if you want to find out whether it is creating a cycle or not, we can take the help of sets. Okay, because in case of set, you know that suppose I'm having this set 2. Suppose in one set I'm having just 2 first, and in another set I'm having 3, and suppose in third one I'm having 4. Okay. Suppose these 2, 3, 4 are your nodes. Now, suppose I want to say that I want to add an edge 2, 3, and 4. Suppose I want to add an edge 2, 3. Right now, no node is connected. So, if 2, 3 को add करना है, so I need to check, is it creating a cycle? Now, how to check that? I will check that if 2 and 3, they belong to the different sets, then they won't create a cycle. Right now, you can say 2 belongs to this set, and 3 belongs to this set. So they are belonging to different sets. So they won't create a cycle. So I will add an edge in my spanning tree. But once you are adding an edge in your spanning tree, that means 2 and 3 are now connected. So what I will do, I will take the union of 2 and 3 set. First आपके 2 set कौन से थे? एक था 2 और एक है 3. Union means what? You know na union? Yes, Neha? What is the union of these 2 sets? Yes, Neha.
Yes, ma'am.
You are not listening to me.
मैम नो मैम सुन रही थी, मैं वही देख रही मैं.
Union क्या होता है? Union means you have to take all the elements of this set and all the elements of this set, and you have to put in one set. This is the union. Okay, previously you were having two different set 2 and 3. You wanted to add an edge from 2 to 3. Okay, you can add an edge only if they belong to the different set. 2 का ये सेट था, 3 का ये सेट है. पहले वो अलग अलग सेट में थे, तो अलग अलग सेट का मीनिंग है कि अगर आप ये एज ऐड करोगे तो इट वोंट बी क्रिएटिंग अ साइकिल. तो आपने एक एज ऐड कर दिया. बट नाउ वंस दे आर कनेक्टेड, what you will do, you will take the union of these two sets and you will create one set. अब आपके एक सेट में दो एलिमेंट्स है 2 3 और एक में है 4. Is it okay? Now if I want to add an edge 2 to 4, okay, yes Karan, can you tell me, can I add an edge 2 to 4?
Yes ma'am.
Why?
क्योंकि मैम 4 से 3 तक तो हमारा वो बना ही है ना अभी.
नहीं नहीं, मुझे सेट के अकॉर्डिंगली बताओ, क्योंकि आपका रीजन ये होना चाहिए कि 2 is from this set and 4 is from some
हाँ जी.
different set. That means they
Different.
belong
हाँ
to
जी.
the different sets. If they belong to the different
Different.
sets, that means you can add an edge. So I can add an edge to my this. But once this edge is added, what I have told you, आपने क्या करना है, इन दोनों सेट का क्या ले लेना है, यूनियन. Okay? Yes, Karan, I'm asking you.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
So what will be the union of these two? It will be 2 3 4. Okay?
2 3 4 मैम.
Now yes, Karan, I want to check, can I add an edge from 3 to 4?
No मैम.
Why?
क्योंकि मैम वो 2 3 एंड 4 एक ही सेट में आ रहे हैं ना.
आप 3 और 4 की जस्ट बात करो ना, 2 की मत करो. हाँ, क्योंकि 3 और 4
हाँ
एक
जी,
ही
हाँ जी,
सेट
हाँ
से
जी.
हैं. That means if they are from the same set, I can't add this edge over here. Why? Because it will create a cycle. तो ये हमने जो इसका मेन रीजन है, like why I'm using the set to check the cycles. This is the reason. Like if they belong to the same set, that means अगर तब आप एक edge add करोगे, then it will create a cycle. So this logic you can use in order to implement, in order to check whether there is some cycle or not. Okay, so I think this concept is clear to you. I'll take first this algorithm, then I will take one example. Okay. Now, what is this algorithm? First of all, I'm taking one set like A, and that is initialized to empty. A is equal to, that is initialized to some empty set. Okay. Then it is written for each vertex V that belongs to G dot V. G means G is the graph. This is the graph that is given to you. In that graph, if there are 8 vertices, you will make 8 different sets. Make set V means हर एक vertex का आप एक different set बनाओगे. I'll take one example, then it would be clear. Like suppose if you are having this graph 1, 2, and 3. Suppose the weight of this is 2, weight of this is 3, and the weight of this is 5. Okay. So first I will do one thing. I will make, how many vertices are there? 3. So I will make a set of each vertex. तो एक सेट हो गया जिसमें आपका 1 वर्टेक्स है, एक सेट हो गया जिसमें आपका सेकंड है. Keep your videos off. And third set is in which you are having 3. Okay. Next, what I will do, I'll take each edge one by one, but in the increasing order of their weight. So सबसे पहले किसका weight कम है? I'll consider this edge 1 to 2. Okay. Now what you need to find out whether 1 and 2, they belong to same set or different set. So this find set function would be used in order to find out whether the find set U, suppose I want to take the edge 1 and 2. So U value is 1, V is 2. What is the set of U? What is the set of 1? It is this one. What is the set of 2? This one. Are they equal? Are they belong to same set? No, they belong to different set. अगर उनके set equal नहीं है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? A में हम क्या add कर देंगे? ये वाला edge add कर देंगे 1 2. That means you are saying actually 1 2 edge. इसमें add करने का meaning है कि आप ये minimum spanning tree बना दिया आपने. जिसमें आपका अभी just 1 or 2 H ऐड हुआ है. Then once you have added this H1, 2, you will take the union of these. So you will take the union of these two, it will become 1 and 2. There are now 2 vertices in this set and there is one another set 3. Okay. Now again you need to consider the next edge क्योंकि for loop है. Next edge कौन सा consider करेंगे? 1, 3. Okay. Now tell me this U is 1, V is 3. Yes, Palvi, can you tell me what is a set of 1? 1 belongs to which set?
Ma'am,
Yes, Palvi. No, you are not audible. 1, 2. 1 belongs to this set. And what is a set of 3? 3 belongs to this set. Are they equal? Yes, anyone else? Yes, Neha, can you tell me, are they equal? Are they belong to same set? No.
No, ma'am.
No. So what I will
No,
do,
ma'am.
if it is no, I will add A जो है ना, A आप कह लो कि expanding tree है. A में मैं ये H add कर दूंगी. कौन सा H? 1, 3. So I will add that to H. And then I will take union of these two. Okay, union of this set and this set. So it will become one set now. So in that set now you are having 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now next edge. Which edge I have to consider now? 2, 3. Fine. Now again find out what is a set of 2? This one. And what is a set of 3? That is also this one. That means they both belong to the same set. If they belong to the same set, then we don't have to implement these two lines. That means I won't add that edge to my spanning tree and there is nothing to take the union of. Is it okay? So this will be your spanning tree और A में क्या store हो जाएगा 1, 2 और 1, 3 H. And it will say that this is your spanning tree and the weight of that is 2 plus 3, 5. Is it cleared? Yes, yes, Karan, is it cleared?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
I'll take one more example and you, all of you need to tell me. I think still we have 5 minutes. I can take that. Okay. Okay, beta, I'm taking this graph. In this graph, there are how many vertices are there? There are 7 vertices. So I have to implement this using Post-Kruskal's algorithm by using sets. Okay, not by using the previous method. So what I will do firstly, I will sort all the edges in the increasing order of their weight. So I have written all the edges in the increasing order of their weight. First 1, 2, 2, 3, like all these. Fine. So this is the solution. Can you see this thing? First of all, how many vertices are there? Yes, Neha.
Yes, ma'am.
How many
7.
vertices were there? 7. So according to the algorithm, what I have told you, you will consider that each vertex belongs to the different set.
Different set.
ठीक है, तो कितने सेट्स हो गए हमारे पास? 7 सेट्स हो गए. और जो ए है आपका, दिस इज योर ए. ए को किससे इनिशियलाइज कर लिया? नल से. ओके, देन ओके नेहा, यू कीप योरसेल्फ अनम्यूटेड. देन व्हिच एज यू हैव टू कंसीडर? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, किसका वेट सबसे कम है? 1, 2 का. 1, 2 का वेट कितना है? 1. Okay, now Neha, you tell me, if you have to consider 1 and 2, that means this is your U, this is your V. I have to check whether the set of U and the set of V, they are different or same. Tell me, set of 1 is this, set of 2 is this. Different ho to that means some. Yes, they are different. So can I add an edge 1 to 2 in the spanning tree?
Yes.
So I can add an edge to my spanning tree. But once you have added an edge, next step क्या था नेहा? क्या करना है इसको?
सेम यूनियन में कर देना, दोनों सेट्स को उनका एक यूनियन
एक बना देना. Means you have to take the union of this and this. So I'm taking the union of these two. So you will be having 1, 2 in one set and all other sets you can write down like this. Okay. Okay, Neha, next edge to consider करना है according to weight, that is your 2, 3. Okay, now
2, 3.
Yes, U is 2, V is 3. Tell me, what is the set of two set, what is a set of two node? It belongs to this one, and 3 belongs to the different set.
This one.
So again, if they belong to
मैम
different
सर
set,
इनके बीच में add-
तो ये एच भी आप ऐड कर दोगे. Okay, but after adding an edge, you have to take the union of these two. So
ये
जब
तो
आप इन दोनों sets का union लोगे 1, 2 और 3 का, you will be having one set, this one 1, 2, 3, और बाकी
1,
set
2,
को आप ऐसे ही लिख लो 4, 5, 6, 7. Is it okay? Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
okay, Palvi, this is not working net properly. Okay, Jyoti or Sakshi, can you tell me, Sakshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Next edge that we have to consider is 4, 5. Is 4 and 5 belong to same set?
No, ma'am.
No, they belong to different set. 4 is from this, 5 is from this. Can I add an edge then? Yes, we can add that
Yes,
edge
ma'am.
in the spanning tree. तो मैंने ये 4, 5 ऐड कर लिया, but 4 और 5 का आपने यूनियन लेके एक सेट में रख दिया. 4, 5 is in 1 now. Okay, okay. Next is Karan. 6, 7 आपको ऐड करना है, तो 6, 7 belong to same set?
No, ma'am.
No, they belong to different. So that means that edge can also be added in the spanning tree, और 6, 7 एक आपके set में आ गए. Next one is 1, 4. Okay, tell me 1 belongs to which set? This
1,
one?
2, 3.
हाँ, 4 different sets है. That means 1, 4 भी आप ऐड कर सकते हो अपने ट्री में. मैंने 1, 4
हाँ.
ऐड कर लिया. बट इन दोनों का आपने फिर यूनियन ले लेना है. तो यूनियन करके एक सेट आ गया 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. एक सेट आ गया 6, 7. नेक्स्ट सेट है 2, 5. यस करण, टेल मी अबाउट दिस 2, 5.
2, 5 मैडम सेम
सेम है, तो सेम मतलब कि उसमें एक साइकिल बन जाएगा. दैट मीन्स हमें 2